Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the next project that I'm going to work on. If you guys see, this is going to be the tube pencil skirt with just one sleeve at the back. And if you guys see this long part, guys, this is going to be the part that drapes over the back. And it's going to go all the way down. If you guys see, I got it lined out. Boom. And if you guys see right here, on the fold, I have my neck hole. So I'm going to cut this out at a angle shape, guys. And I'm going to put this beautiful piece together. So you'll need these two pieces to create this next DIY, guys. So if you guys see, I got it already shaped out. This is where my neck hole is going to be. And this is the part that's going to be cut going all the way around like a curve. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, next step, I'm making a seam right down the back of that tube dress. And the difference is this tube dress go way up towards your chest, guys. But I'm throwing a seam right down the back. And then what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to try it on next and show you guys how to attach it. All right, stay tuned. Guys, so the next step, what I'm going to do, the tube dress needs to stop right here at the end of your stomach, guys. And then I'm going to attach the dress just like this, guys. I'm going to attach the dress. So I'm going to sew this together, guys, and I'm going to come back with you guys with the finishing results. So this is an easy, simple maxi to make. And yeah, but this part just goes over the breast and locks down just like this. And then you attach the bottom of the tube part. So I'm going to attach it, guys, and I'll come back to y'all with the finishing results. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, next tip. When I'm getting ready to sew this is going to be right sides together. But, guys, line your neck hole up with the center seam so that it's not off base. And then if you look and you see the back seam, line that up so that it'll be centered and not uneven. So we're going to sew this right sides together. And then all I'm going to do is hem this, guys, the neck hole. And your project is done. You guys are ready to wear that. So the next time you see this dress, I'll have it on. Stay tuned. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the final results of that dress that I made, guys. And you guys can make this beautiful dress. I love it. I'm going to show you guys the model that I got inspired by. And remember, guys, you can make this in all colors. You can make it in red, white, pink, black, green, orange, any color. And for my ladies that don't sew, if you got an auntie or a family member that sews, you can take this video and go show it to them. This is a really easy, simple project. You just do the neck hole, and then it's a pencil skirt. And remember, it's kind of like the black and gold one I made, but this one comes up to the breast, and the other one goes down by the stomach. But guys, you guys can create this look and go to any event and look. If you go to an all white out or whatever party you go to, you guys can be the life of the party, and you can have your auntie or somebody. Or if you guys go take a basic sewing class, just learn how to thread the sewing machine, a zigzag, a straight stitch, how to thread your bobbin. The stitches that we use is just simple, and then there's no hemming with this. I didn't do any hemming, only at the bottom. I didn't hem the back of the cape. So the cape is still with the raw edges because I'm using spandex material, guys. And I put on these little red wrap shoes, or burgundy, like a wine red with this, guys. So, guys, create this beautiful dress. So, happy sewing, guys. I do have other projects that I got to finish. I got to get the bleach and finish that other one, guys. So, happy sewing, guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Hi guys, here's a couple still shot. I noticed with the light on, the dress looked more like an orangey red. And right here, I don't know, that flash, that's what they be talking about. That powder, I'm looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost with that makeup. But guys, I just wanted to show you guys the red with the light off, and that looks a lot better. That's the true red that the dress is. So remember, you guys can make these projects at home easy. Sew along video for you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless. Happy sewing, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye.